Hello, so I just finished doing some research with Gemini. Over here, I just have basically the different meaning of colors across cultures as part of this graphic design research that I'm doing, as I'm a web developer and I need to use color palettes. But the thing is, I need to just put this all together nicely and share it with some of my colleagues and also clients. And I came across this basically AI-powered presentation maker called Gamma.app. I've authenticated here and it's asking me how would I like to generate the presentations. It's the first time I'm using it and we're going to go through it together. Now, I will do the pasting text. I have my my notes and hopefully, that gets us. The notes that I'm going to use are literally just the exporting of the research from Gemini. So let's go ahead. I'm going to go ahead and paste them, and quite big. So what would you like to create with this? Okay, this is interesting. So you can create a presentation, a web page, document, or social. Now, would be nice to create a web page, right? That is actually like a pretty useful way of looking at information as well. So let's go ahead and check it out. So it's going to configure the prompt, think through things, and it has a certain cost for doing this. And we can see over here that the length in tokens is acceptable. It's below 20,000, so that's good. And it's going to generate some images as well. That's nice. Language is English, detailed, max text per card. Now, okay, I want us to be concise, so medium. And let's go ahead to also add some instructions, please. So I said, please use tables where applicable to neatly present information. That's my additional instruction. Looks good. Let's go ahead and check it out, what it's going to do. Okay, so here's a theme preview, and it's interesting. So what would be nice? Something that's in my brand. I like this over here. Seems really nice and easy. So let's just generate. Okay, so it should take a minute to complete this, and we'll be right back. Okay, so this is a nice effect to have. You can see it being produced in action live, and they have some nice stock imagery they use. This is like really clever, right? They use generative AI all the way through to generate the banners, to generate the layout, the markdown that is for the web page, and some really cool images over here. You can see, how we start with like East Asian color symbolism with red, yellow, and white and green and what they mean. Similarly speaking for South Asia, then in Middle East, Africa, just really well segmented information. Good. I'm honestly quite happy with this. I will just go ahead and publish it. Just doing a demo here, but I'm also probably going to be using this myself. Incredible. This is, genuinely speaking, I'm really happy and ecstatic about this. It's something I can talk about and share on another demo. So Gamma.app, I recommend everybody to go check it out right now.